Good morning, James Christian.
No. You can have more just now. What's this, Jamesy? What's this?
No.
Is that your woo-woo hat?
No.
Now we're just going to be focused on wanting food.
Jamesy, what did Daddy get more of last night?
Where did Daddy get food?
No.
Snow! Did Daddy get more snow?
No sugar.
Alright, I'll get you more. Show Oma open the tree.
James, did you help with the tree yesterday? James Christian, did you help with the tree yesterday? There's no more. No more cereal bar.
Daddy should get more.
Say bye, Jamesy. Bye. You want to recycle first? Uh-oh, we lost James.
No more milk. Come here, pick a spoon for your oats. You want... Which one do you want? Which spoon do you want for your oats? This one? Okay. Take your oats over there. You want to wear your woo-woo hat? Oops, let's tuck you in.
Bye, Jamesy.
Bye.
Bye.